Hello everybody, today I'm at the School of Medicines in University of Louisville and we're going to go ahead and ask around campus to students about lab safety questions.
I'm Katya.
I'm Ella.
Ollie. Joe Hinkle. Walker.
And what is something that you wear in the lab that keep you safe?
Oh, well, wearing gloves is very important.
So you should wear gloves. Masks are optional. Definitely don't wear open-toe shoes or shorts. Face shield.
Face shield?
Proper eye protection, gloves, closed-toe shoes.
Closed-toe shoes.
Make sure you wear long pants.
Also gogles or glasses.
Hazardous like chemicals when you go lab coats.
Laboratory coat can be also pretty helpful.
Goggles.
Goggles? Yeah.
Gloves.
Yeah, you name it all. Yes. Can you tell me what this is?
That is a drain, like a eye sick clip. Whenever your eyes get like some sort of toxic in there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Iowa Station, yes.
Yeah.
How about
That's
this one?
right.
This is a little harder.
Do you know this one?
Is that like a sanitization? It's like autoclave?
Yes, it's autoclave, yes.
Yeah.
No idea what
It's
that
an
is.
autoclave.
Yeah.
Nice.
Can you tell me what autoclave do?
It sterilizes equipment using heat.
Yeah. What is this sign for?
That is a cautionary sign.
Hazardous.
Hazardous, yeah, toxic, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Sir, thank you.
Thank you so much.
For sure, yeah.
Thank you.